Where do we find God? I believe he is in here, inside each of us. And he is telling me that we have been keeping a secret for far too long. And it will be God who drives the evil away.
You guys see this? What religious group has sermons in German? Who paints all the shiny things on their car black?
Batman.
That's funny. No. Mennonites.
Do you submit to God's will?
I submit. I will be pastor. And I will do only what a good pastor does.
Agent O'Reilly.
What do you know about Mennonite mob?
Been around for the better part of 20 years. They speak their own language, only work with their own kind. When their boss, Eli Boss, wants to leave a message, he does it with a capital B.
Day will come. We'll all be judged.